What's up guys, DUBB. Welcome to my channel. This is my 1992 Toyota pickup truck, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual, and I'm going to show you how to do a transmission oil change, and also going to show you where you can change the differential oil as well. They both use the same oil. It's let's see, 75W90. This is a GL5 synthetic oil I'm using. I already changed the differential oil already. It's pretty simple. Remove the top bolt first before you drain the oil out of it. So today I'm going to show you how to change the transmission oil. And I believe a 4-cylinder 5-speed holds about maybe 2 point something quart. Not quite sure. So what you do is you fill up to the top hole right there. When it overfills, then that's when you know that's enough. So the reason I need to give this car a little love is I got this car for over 12 years now. I have not done any transmission oil or the rear differential oil change, and that's not a good thing. I know I don't use it that often. I only use it when I need to haul something. Most of the time just park in my yard, but still it's long overdue, and I don't know like when it got changed. And the reason I'm changing the oil, here's the reason. Let me show you. This is my commuter car. Recently I got into an accident and it's pretty much total. There's too many parts for me to replace to get it running, but I am planning to somehow salvage and get some parts out of here and get it running again. Maybe not this particular frame, maybe another new body. And the airbag popped, so it's just too much parts for me to replace to get it running. So my plan is to find another car that has some mechanical issue. Maybe the engine's broken, transmission, whatever it is. Maybe I'm hoping to find one that is automatic and has some decent outer body panels and everything. There's no damage to it, because I can easily replace a fender or hood or a bumper, even a door, but I do not want to mess with the quarter panel, the roof, or anything else like that. I do not want to paint anything that if I don't have to. Try to get one that is in decent shape for the least amount of money, so I can transfer everything over and make it running again. Here's underneath my transmission. You can see this bolt right here. It's a fill bolt. And right underneath here is the drain bolt. I'm going to use my 1-inch socket to loosen it up. So first, let me go ahead and remove the top fill bolt. It's a 17 millimeter. It's pretty tight, so let me use a breaker bar. The top fill bolt is pretty tight. Luckily I have a big long breaker bar. With a finessing, I was able to break it free. And the bottom one, it was pretty easy to get off. There's a washer right there. And get the bottom one. I think gonna be nasty. You want to oil come out? Let's find out. And probably like this pipe. Oh, actually, it's not too bad. It's still nice and clear. I would think that it was gonna be like muddy. Actually, not too bad at all. But I do have some metal shaving right here. I guess I don't drive often enough, but the oil is pretty clean. Yeah, the bottom of my transmission is covered with motor oil, and I'm not sure where it's leaking from by the motor. Wow, I guess I didn't really have to change it. So here's the drain bolt. You can see it's filled with little metal pieces in here stuck to the magnet. Gonna clean it up. So earlier it was filled with shaving. You got so much on here that you couldn't pick up anymore. Now it's all cleaned up, and let's go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt back in there so we can fill it with oil. Go ahead and put a new washer in it. Once the drain bolt is tightened up, I'm going to use this setup right here to manually pump the oil into the transmission. It's a slow way, but that's the only thing I have available. So it took forever pumping the oil in there, and I couldn't get it all the way to the bottom because the straw inside was short. So I'm guessing it probably take about a little less than 2.5 quarts in there, but I'm gonna do a little research online and I'll put the right number on the screen. You can see the oil is dripping out. This means the transmission is full. And let's go and put the fill plug back in there. You got a fill plug right here. I think it's 15/16 is the size wrench you need. Same thing here, you fill it to the top until it starts dripping out. Then that's it. Using the same oil as the transmission. Alright, hope this is helpful. Let me go ahead and put back everything and tighten everything up. And that's it. That's how you do a transmission oil and a differential oil change on a 1992 Toyota pickup truck. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of Toyota trucks out there similar. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.